Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can create an account on Lemon8 application. So to begin with, the first thing that I want to tell you is about this application. So Lemon8 is a lifestyle community focused app powered by TikTok where you can discover and share authentic content on a variety of topics such as beauty, fashion, travel, food, and more. So if you are interested in such topics, you can create an account. This platform is exactly for you. So guys, to begin creating your account, you need to first download and install the Lemon8 application on your device. Once you do so, tap on the open option. And here you will find to continue is your TikTok account. You can use your TikTok account to continue. So this is my account. It already been here because it is powered by TikTok. So you can use your TikTok account to create an account on this application as well. So once I tap on continue with my TikTok account, the next thing you need to do is to allow permission to this application. And they say share your pronouns. So I will choose. And then you need to choose what are your interests. So you can choose from this list. As you can see, I am in Thailand, so everything is in Thai language, but it depends on your preference. You can select maybe this is for travel or these are phones. So I will select two and then tap on next. From here, you need to set up your profile. You can choose your name here. And you can, if you want to change the profile picture of your account here, you can do it by tapping on the camera icon. Once you're done, you're okay with it, then tap on next. And on this tab, you can follow some of the accounts here. So what I will do, I will just follow all, and that is it. My account has been created. If I go to my account here, as you can see, now my account has been created. I already followed 183 people, 53 are following me, and this is how your account will look. So guys, this is all it takes to create an account on Lemon8 application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.